y'all. In today's video, I'm bringing to you part 2 of my bathroom renovation, and it's coming along, y'all. So if you have not seen part 1, be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box below for that video. And guys, so in this video today, it is not going to be a long one. I just wanted to really give you guys an update of what's taking place. And as you can see, the guys were hanging the drywall, y'all, and they got it all hung, and then bam, y'all, a portion of the drywall had to be removed. Honey child, this is the fiasco that comes with the territory of renovation shop. So after the guys left that day, I go in to perform Nita's inspection, and to my surprise, I realized that the plumbing is sitting too low for the vanity that I have. So guys, I'm gonna go back and finish that story, but I do want to show you guys the towel in the shower bath area is all complete, and it turned out just lovely. I love this porcelain white towel in the bath shower area. But back to the plumbing and the vanity situation, y'all. The plumbing set too low for the vanity that I have. The vanity has an open bottom, so therefore the plumbing needed to sit up, because we all know that the plumbing sits inside of the vanity. So to make a long story short, guys, the plumber is back the next day, and guess what? Problem solved. He relocated the plumbing, he brought it up a notch, and we're good to go. Okay, so now the drywall is officially complete and mudded, and that's when they seal all the joints on the drywall, and then they prepare the wall with a smooth finish and just getting it ready for paint. And also, guys, I do want to take this time to say thank you. Thank you guys for clicking on this video, watching. If you are new, I want to say thank you so much and welcome. Don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I would gladly appreciate it and would love to have you as part of the family. To my people, thank y'all so much for always coming back, supporting me. You know I love you, love you, love you. And so guys, in this clip here, my husband came home from work this particular day, and the guys had some material here for the baseboard and the trim for the door, and he said, you know what, let me go ahead and install this baseboard, put the trim around the door, and I'll caulk everything so tomorrow when they come, they can just start painting. My husband sometimes is so impatient, y'all. He be like, he want things done in the blink of an eye. And yeah, but he ended up installing the baseboard. And so the next day the guys came in, they painted, and oh my God, it turned out so beautifully. Just keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. That's it. There you go, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Y'all, I'm loving it. Y'all see that black frame around the tub area? That was something that we had not originally decided to go with, because I was going to go with my old good old curtain up there, my shower curtain, but my husband said, no, I got a better idea. We're going to frame this thing out in black, honey. When I tell you teamwork makes the dream work, look at that frame around that tub area. And so it has clear doors. The doors have not been installed yet. The guy said we have to wait for that to seal properly to the tub before we can apply the doors there. So y'all, I am so happy with how this thing is turning out. Yeah, but look at it. And so I'm going to move over to some of the things that I've been buying for the bathroom. These here shampoo, conditioner, dispensers. I bought these almost probably about a month ago, and I saw them at Home Goods. I said, you know what, I'm gonna pick these things up now, because I know when I come back, they're not gonna be here. And I also picked up this hand soap dispenser, y'all. Let me tell you something about this hand soap dispenser, y'all. I was so bad. It came with a black top, y'all, and I saw another dispenser with this gold top, and I switched it out. And I was like, ooh, I'm going to jail today, y'all. I was so scared. Listen, but anyway, it worked out for me. And then here, guys, I have these wood floating shelves. You know I can't decorate without adding some wood, y'all. That wood to me just brings in that naturalness, that coziness. And then here you have a bathroom stool. that is an idea of what I want to put in there as well. And then we're moving over to this wall art. I saw this on Overstock. I think I'm going to go ahead and order that because I am going to use that in there as well. I love that it's trimmed out in gold. And I did not show you guys the toilet in the first video because it had not come here yet. But this is a one-piece toilet. I absolutely love that it is one piece. It's so much easier for cleaning. You don't have to worry about getting in the crevices and all around the base. It's just one complete solid piece. And the best thing about this toilet, y'all, look at this. I have this puck in my hand. This puck attaches to the wall, and guess what? It's a hands-free flush for the toilet. Yep. That's it, y'all. That's it for today. So I do want to say thank you guys. And as always, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.